Okay, so as always, these videos start the night before, and I'm going to have a tuna and mayo sandwich. So this is the tuna that I have for today. It's just the one from Sainsbury's in brine, and I'm making sandwiches for both Andy and myself. So I'm going to use the whole tin of tuna, but I don't even know if this is free on WWE, guys, but honestly, you know, tuna is not, you know, high in calorie value, I don't think, and I seem to remember it being free. But do check your app if you're pointing. Calorie wise, again, I would say quite low, but it's not something I'm really getting involved with too much at the moment because I am very much on a, you know, non-strict journey. But I'm also going to use some light Hellmann's mayo. I don't like a ton of mayo, if I'm honest. I like it to be more sort of tuna rather than mayo. I'm going to have the seeded rolls. These are absolutely delicious. I've had them before. I really like them. They're 227 calories each, which again is normally more than I would have, but that's what I'm going to do. So I've got one for myself, one for Andy, and I'm just going to cut them in half and plop the tuna mayo on. And spread that out. And because this is tuna, I'm actually going to use cellophane because I do not want my nice wax melts to forever smell of tuna. So yeah, that's just personal preference, but I am going to link the wax wraps that I use because I do get asked about them all the time, as well as my lunch bag. So if you are interested in this lunch bag, check out the description box. I have finally gotten around to linking things. So if you are interested in anything in this video, plates, mugs, bowls, all of that good stuff, clothes, check out the description box. So that's all done. I've got my can of Coke Zero as always. I have my trusty Quavers, so nothing new there, and my sandwich. My plan is to try and get some fruit tomorrow as well, some fresh fruit. I might go and get some nice peaches or maybe a plum or something when I'm out and about. But for now, this is what I've got with me. And again, if you are interested in this nifty little lunch bag, check out the description box because it is now linked.
This is a service of calls. The next stop, Deansgate Castlefield.
And welcome to our day today. I'm just on my way to the office. It is a beautiful in-between autumn winter day. Manchester is looking absolutely stunning. Trying not to get myself killed. I'm on my way into the office. It's about 10 to 8 in the morning, and I'm contemplating nipping out at some stage to get some fruit for breakfast. I need to see what my meetings are like. I haven't got a ton of time, so we'll see. But if not, I have a nice hefty lunch with me, and I'm sure I can pick up the fruit and some snack for the afternoon if not. So yeah, let's spend the day together. I think tonight is going to be something quick because Andy's just informed me he's taking out a couple of micro meals for dinner tonight to make it easier. So that'll be good. So hopefully we'll be having something delicious tonight. I will check back in a bit later on. Office, and I'm not going to lie, in the past couple of hours I've started to feel really sniffly, my head's really heavy, I'm feeling a little bit run down. But I've had a great day apart from that. But I am cold, so
I'm so happy that I don't have to get in a cook now, because honestly, after leaving the house at 7 a.m, my energy levels have depleted. So the fact that I have a micro meal, which is the M&S spaghetti bolognese, which was my favourite micro meal, I'm very happy about. I also have a flatbread with some cheese, which is going to be equally as delicious. Again, you know, you can check these really easily on the WW app, and you can make a bolognese with far less calories. I used to do it all the time. I've got a ton of videos with homemade bologneses in, but I'm so happy that this is going to go in the microwave and I don't even have to think about it for the next few minutes or so. So yeah, that's what I'm going to have. Calorie values, this is 205 calories a serving, which is a quarter, and the bolognese is 624 calories for the serving. Really good, but I'm not gonna lie, I've started to feel quite rough now. So Andy's just made a cup of tea, which I'm so happy about. Even the steam on this is making me happy. But as a treat, we're also gonna have a mince pie. Yes, it is that time. We've started on the mince pies. These are not my favourite that I've tried this year. This is the Sainsbury's Taste the Difference Crisp Caramel, filled with layers of silky smooth spiced caramel sauce topped with a spiced caramel mincemeat. These are really good, but the favourite ones that I've tried so far have also come from Sainsbury's, and they are the Fragipan or something caramel, and they are honestly, they are so good. I've got another box in the kitchen, and at the minute I'm kind of alternating between these and the other ones. So yeah, very happy about that. I'm well into my mince pie era, and I really enjoy them. I feel like Christmas has officially started as soon as you start getting the mince pies, and the shops are absolutely full of them. And these are a really cute design because they have the little star on there as well. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get going. I'm unlikely to have anything else tonight apart from, you know, I might have a bit of fruit later, but honestly it's unlikely, because I'm gonna watch a show now, and the likelihood is after that I'm gonna fall asleep. So I'm gonna get going, but thank you so much for watching. The next one is gonna be one from home. So I'm definitely going to be cooking something, which I'm quite excited about, because obviously today has not really been that much effort when it comes to food, but you need those times, you need those evenings where you reach for things for convenience as opposed to cooking from scratch. So just want to keep it real, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.